Hey there, ever wondered how to find all those posts you've saved on Instagram with your iPhone? Well, wonder no more. I'm here to guide you through it in a jiffy. No time to waste, let's dive right in. So, to start off, unlock your iPhone and fire up Instagram. Then, down at the bottom, tap on your profile icon. Next, up in the top right corner, give that hamburger menu icon a tap. Boom, options galore right in front of you. Now, it's time to hit saved from the list. Here's where the magic happens. All your saved goodies in one place. Want to check out a specific collection? Just give it a tap. Oh, and guess what? You can unsave stuff too. Simply open the post or story, tap the little tag on the left, and presto, it's unsaved. And that's the lowdown on finding saved posts on Instagram from your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to show that like button some love. And hey, if you're hungry for more Instagram wisdom, hit that subscribe button. We're dishing out fresh tips regularly. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.